During the translation of this Losing My Virginity into Kannada, I faced a lot of issues because the various jargons that is being used, so in the autobiography, is very tough, and it is unique to the place where it is written. For example, so a lot of words are very local to London or Britain, and bringing those words into Indian context is a very tough task. That is why while translating the book, I have exclusively taken the translation for thematic translation. I have not taken the word-to-word translation rights. So that will help me to translate that into, bring the various words into my local language. For example, in a hot air balloon, we have not travelled in the hot air balloon. The experiences which he has recorded sitting inside the hot air balloon is very difficult to brought it into Kannada. So that is why, so we have done some thematic translation. Or the words like the concept of rugby, right? So the various rules and regulations of rugby, maybe rugby is a very famous and game in US and Britain, but definitely, so in India, when you bring it to the Indian context, so it is very difficult to set the rules and regulations of rugby and explain the concept of rugby. So we are very much familiar with hockey, cricket and all. So in these kind of situations, so I have done some balancing act, I have done some thematic translation, and of course I have discussed these things with the original author also, and that is how I overcome the difficulties while doing the translation.